So today we are going to take this tire off, and then we're going to take it over there to our tire area, and we're going to take it off the rim, and then put it back on the rim, and then put it back on the car. So now that we've got our tire off, we're in our tire area, we have to take this off, this little cap, and then we take our thread out. Once we got our air out of the tire, we're gonna pull it over here, set it right here, come over here, and press this one, and then we flip it around and we do the other side. Then when we're done with that, we throw it up here, like so, and then we'll hit this button. Now she's locked in place. Now that we have air out of the tire and we popped it, we're gonna bring it over here, set this down, set the brake, and tighten this so it doesn't move. Where it touches it like that. And we'll bring this. Then we'll hold it, and we'll come over here and rotate it. So once you're done with this, you pull through here, walk her up, through, like that, and then rotate. And then she's off. Okay, now that we have our tire off, we're gonna grab our soapy water, and we're gonna soapy water the bead. Then we'll put our tire on. Like so. And then we'll rotate. And then do it again just like that. With this, close fist so your fingers don't get ripped off when you follow.
Okay, so first, you gotta put on your adapter. Secondly, you gotta get your big old tire and then put it on. Nice. Make sure it's on. This, and then grab this doohickey. Good. Then, no, you grab this and you put it on the inside of the rim, right there. Then you click down with your foot. Then you come over here with this one and you put it right there on the same spot. And then you also click it this way. Nice. Put this down. And on here it'll tell you what sides and how much weight each side needs. So this left side's good, but this right side needs 0.5 ounces.
So after that, you come over here, you find this chart right here shows the different models and makes of cars. Our wheel weights are going to be this one right here. This is a 1/2 ounce. So you're going to come over here, find this red line. You're going to put it right in the middle where that red line is. And then once you get it on there, you're going to pull this down so the wheel spins. And now you can see that we have a perfectly balanced wheel. When putting the tire back on, you start with just hand threading the lug nuts on so you don't cross thread them. And then you'll put your impact in the lowest speed setting so you do not over torque them. And then you will tighten them in a star pattern.
If you're gonna take a tire and put one back on, first you have to search up your vehicle, which we have already done. Then you go to steering and suspension, wheels and tires, wheel stud / lug nut, then specifications. And that's how we end up getting our wheel nuts in the foot-pound that it needs to be put on at.
So now that you've got your torque spec, you're going to set it on your torque wrench and you're going to tighten them in a star pattern. I'm going to go over it one more time just to make sure they're good. So when you're done using your torque wrench, you're going to just zero it out before you put it away.